Balik po ang UAP Women's Volleyball Tournament Season 75 dito po sa Studio 23. Lamang ang National University, 2-1 at abante po ng 7 puntos dito po sa 4th set. Technical timeout tayo at balik na po ang mga player on the court. UST has to stop the bleeding here, Mosey. Because now, in reverse, and National University is playing loose here.
That's right. And kanina, even in the 3rd set, it was really a close set. So, we can't say naman na hindi maganda nilaro ng NU in that set.
Lantin to Tunay. Easy pickings for Nepomuceno. Pablo again!
And again, still no antidote.
15 points for the girl who has the Midas touch today. Punta natin si Apple David muna.
Buman Moji, the main problem of the Lady Bulldogs from the 1st till the 3rd set is their service. Hindi na alam ni Coach Francis kung ano pang words of encouragement ang sasabihin niya sa mga Lady Bulldogs. But surely he has words to say to their setter, Perez. He told her, wag mong itutok lahat ng play kay Dindin. Let's not be predictable and learn to trust your teammates. The Lady Bulldogs want to get this set and close out USC because they won another 5-set game kung saan lalo lang sila mahihirapan at may chance pa na matalo sila. Buman Moji.
And they're looking good. Apple, 9-point lead. Great receive by Nepomuceno. Great setup on a quick for Dindin Santiago for a 10-1 advantage.
And again, Perez making the right decision.
Ganda. Yung malambot lang na quick na bitaw. Uy!
Oh!
Tumama sa line. Everything,
Yeah.
everything falling now for National U.
That's right. And USC having, yun naman, bad decisions this time. Dadang.
Catching the line on this one.
Yep.
Oh, clearly. Well, Pablo with 15 points. Nagpalit na.
Cabanas on the side.
Coverage was there for UST. Tunay. Masyado mataas. Uy, na-miss time ni Perez.
That's right. This time. Normally, ang taas nun madaling kunin. But point is a point. And clearly, USC will need any kind in this set.
Sugal na nga. Dalawang rookie ang linagay ni Coach Oji dito. Si Cabanos.
Cabanos.
At si Cortez. Si Chloe Cortez. Ordaz sent back. Dindin keeps it alive. Chance ball para sa UST. Back set. Lastimosa again.
Sorry, that was Alex Cabanos.
Oh, it was. Sorry.
Si Mami yata yung nasabi ko. Alex
Yes,
Cabanos.
that's right. Tina Marasigan will report from the UST side.
Back from the huddle, Coach Oji, or the major pointer of Coach Oji revolved around complementing each other's strengths. Kung kapos na ang isa, may sasalo dapat. Coach also wants the girls to keep an eye to the leading spiker of NU and set good and more aggressive blocks against their shot. He also reminded the girls to avoid saving the ball too low. Dapat paakyat at hindi padapa o paluhod. Gusto pa sana ipag-jog ni Coach ang Tigresses ng kaunti, kaya lang wala ng oras. Kasi alam niyang maganda naman ang physical condition nila. Kailangan lang magising. Boom.
Maraming salamat, Tina.
Buti hindi pinapalitan ng coffee yung jug.
And now, UST is just behind by 10 here. Is this one of those days, Mosey?
And you could clearly see, di ba, on their faces, parang wala Yun na nga, out of focus.
Lambot naman yung block na. Yung spiker natin, yung 5, nagiging useless na Gamitin mo, di ba kanina pinag-combination ka. Pag sa miss ball din, nandito kayo, yung dalawang blocker, naka-establish na. Ang hirap na palusutan yun. Malalaki yun Dali mo lang sa kabila. Kung natutukan naman, dali mo dito. Opposite setting tayo.
13-3 with 2 rookies on the floor. Alex Cabanos and Chloe Cortez for UST, while National University playing so relaxed. The seemingly lack of energy, according to Coach Oji, is doing them in here in this game.
And again, another well-read play from UST. Was Coach Oji was saying that dun sa kabila ibigay natin the open hit kasi basang-basa na nga naman. But Ito si Alex. I've seen her in practice and she's a brave kid. Siguro it's time to experiment at this point for UST.
What else are they going to do? You're down 10, 14-4. You got to try something with your coach Oji. It's just going to be sad if they lose this because they won't be able to consolidate the big win that they had.
Sayang
against
naman.
DLSU.
Yep. Again, we were talking about that with NU in yung season 74, coming as season 73, coming to season 74. Ito, game to game
Oo nga.
for UST. Yung sudden drop
Until we'll come back. By the way, Maruba Natikla, no appearance here in the fourth set again. Cabanos will sit down, a learning experience for her. But National University looking good, but not yet out of the woods. Remember, they were ahead 21-10 against Adamson nung hinabol sila na Adamson. So, if you're a team, there are two things that you have to remember why you cannot relax. Number one, wala ka pang panalo sa torneo. Pangalawa, hinabol ka rin ng Adamson.
Yeah, tama.
Wala kang karapatan. Kumbaga, kailangan dik-dik ka pa rin.
Hanggat matapos.
Oo. That's a free ball for UST. They're down 8 here. Lantin, second ball.
The confidence of Pablo just oozing, even getting it from the back line.
She also sees a rookie in front of her.
At hiningi niya yan, yung last play na yun.
Pablo, by the way, only on her second year.
Well, not enough juice on that serve. Ayun, dash.
15-16. Sorry, 15-6. Melatunay. Serving for UST. Trying to find some spark. Lastimosa was the spark earlier in set number 3. They say goodbye to that one. Perfect set by Perez.
Tintin Santiago just drilling that one in.
That's the word. Kit Kat break. Get ready for what's next. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.